What is going on, guys? A few weeks ago, I was stuck. I needed images for my projects, thumbnails, ads, even ideas for social posts. But every option felt slow and complicated. Then I discovered something inside Gemini called Nano Banana, and that completely changed the way I work. Back then, I was spending hours trying to design, and I'm not a professional designer, I'm a chemical engineer. And honestly, it was complicated. I wanted my content to look sharp, but I didn't have the tools or the time to make it happen. That's when I started experimenting with Nano Banana. At first, I thought it's just another AI toy. But then I realized this was exactly what I've been missing. The first time I used it, I typed something simple, like for example, a futuristic city at sunset, cinematic style. Within seconds, Gemini gave me an image that looked like it came out of a movie poster. And I thought, wait a second, if it can do this, what else can it do? I began testing. I asked Nano Banana to edit the colors, remove objects, add details, things that would normally take me forever. But here, it was as easy as typing a sentence. And suddenly, I went from being frustrated about design to having fun with it. Every prompt felt like magic. It wasn't about struggling with software anymore. It was about creating. What I learned is this. Tools like Nano Banana aren't just about making images. They are about giving you freedom to test ideas fast, to bring your imagination to life, and to keep moving forward even if you are not a designer. For me, it meant I could finally focus on my affiliate marketing projects without getting stuck in the creative process. That's my story with Nano Banana in Gemini. It took me from frustration to creativity, and honestly, it's becoming one of my favorite tools. So let me show you how I'm using Nano Banana for my YouTube channel. Check these thumbnails, guys. Pretty cool, right? If you're curious to try it, start small. Type a phrase, experiment, and watch what happens. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.